Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Sage styles in practice using a real chapter from one of our authors. Over the next few videos, I'm going to go through several commonly used pieces of content and show you how to style them using the Sage styles. Before we dive in, there are a few things to note. Firstly, make sure you're using the desktop version of Word. You can use the Sage styles on the web version, but it's much easier to use the desktop version as the styles pane is much bigger and easier to use. To find the Sage styles in a document, navigate to the Styles pane on the Home tab. I'm going to open it up here. Here you can see at the bottom we have the default styles that come with a Word document, and at the top here we've got the Sage styles. We know that they're Sage styles because helpfully they have Sage in the name. The only exception to this is the normal style. This is the default style in Word, and it remains the default style here, used for normal body copy. It's the only style that we use that doesn't have Sage in the name. I'm now going to draw your attention to this helpful Excel sheet labelled Standardized Content Type Tags. I'd recommend having this open as you tag a document, as it tells you which style to use for which piece of content. So on the right-hand side here, for example, we can see that the Sage number style is used for the chapter number in a chapter, the Sage title style for the chapter title, the Sage subtitle style for the chapter subtitle, and so on. Whilst I'm here, I'll just quickly draw your attention to the 4 levels of heading that we accept in our manuscript. They should be styled under the styles H1, H2, H3, and H4, as you can see here. That's all for now. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to use the styles for specific pieces of content.